In this tutorial, we will see how to set up a simulation of protein ligand complex using MD simulation module. For this, first open the AstraBioSuite application, and then select the working directory. Using file options, select the target protein ligand complex. For this tutorial, we will use a BL kinase bound to imatinib, which was retrieved from PDB databank. Before we begin the preprocessing, using fix protein module, fix the protein structure by adding missing side chains and atoms. Once fixed, go to Tools, MD Simulation Preprocess Module. Preprocess module let you construct simulation box, add ions, and water molecules. For protein with ligand simulation, make sure keep ligands checkbox is checked. Otherwise, all the heteroatoms associated with the protein will be deleted before simulation. Uncheck the keep ligands checkbox for protein-only simulations. Once all the parameters are set, click Run Preprocess. Successful preprocessing will produce a fully solvated simulation system, containing a complex protein ligand type with force field of interest, filled with water molecules and ion molecules. After inspecting the simulation system, we can then move to Simulate module. Under MD Simulation tab, make sure you click Use Last Process to load the solvated system. Simulate module conducts energy minimization, followed by equilibration step, namely NVT followed by NPT and then MD run. You can change parameters according to your needs. Simulate module let you submit the simulation job in two ways. Either you can run the simulation locally under background, or you can submit simulation using Slurm Job Scheduler. Make sure you configure Slurm Scheduler for running simulation under Job Scheduler. You can check the status and stages of your simulation under Job Status window.